Green will honey. Green is the nature's forgiveness. Will is by being one with nature. And honey is the nature's offering, where less is more in nature and value. We are not the regular honey brand. We are the native beekeepers and producers of the best quality and authentic organic honey. Varieties like eucalyptus, clover. Our most valued honey is the cedar honey. The honey with each drop is a wonder of nature, packed with health benefits, with a rich taste of true sweetness, an ideal source of energy. The tale behind this magical organic honey is the perseverance of nature and the struggle of the mighty bees, with the assistance of us beekeepers to produce the honey, which is an oasis in the densely mineralized hills of Hataknama in KPK, Pakistan. The rugged terrain and the inhospitable conditions for modern agriculture has kept the land free from chemicals and pesticides, keeping the land pure and organic. Where bees collect the nectar from one of the oldest forests of cedar trees, thriving for centuries in this pure land of wonders. The land shorelines the Trans-Himalayan River Indus at Khairabad and Nizampur, stretching to Kohat and Karak, including the countrysides of 3 districts of KPK, Pakistan, and the countrysides of Chakwal and Attak, the 2 districts of Punjab, Pakistan. By being one with nature, we are the native beekeepers, and we share this land with the bees, driven by the principles of sustainability. With decades of experience combined with the indigenous knowledge, living with the value when nature is nurtured, having less is more, and the use of good science. We're there for them when they need us. We transport them to the places where more nectar is available. And when they produce surplus honey, we pack it with care, without any additives and preservatives, to share this delightful offering of nature.